iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Our ittihad 3, Orlando Pirates 2 in the CAF Confederations Cup. It was a festival of good goals, actually.
Yeah.
Long-range goals. Former Orlando Pirates midfielder, highest ever goal scorer in the history of Orlando Pirates in the Premier Soccer League era. Tso Vilakazi, our analyst. What do you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Drake,
Treasy.
Justice,
Steezy.
Junior
Here we go.
Then supporting Jala iDiskiTV. You better be Jala chicken food.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Gulego Kalanje, Mina,
Not to
no, Yazi Gulego, when you look at somebody doing things and then you want to learn from that person. So when you see that person, at is in wrong because football is a game of questions. And then you need to come with answers. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi coaching points wabo yena noNcikazi uFadlu noNcikazi bekuyimaphi ku lodge no Makaringi.
That's a good point.
Then let's go back to the game. Mayicala game I said ukuthi hayi labantu abekho labantu abamnandanga. Looking at iPirates because iPirates I know like wangivusa nangobani isikhathi I know. They can't start the ball from the back. Once they start by Kalemuvut, you must look at that team. Because I've seen the so this team started if I pressure then they couldn't do it. Because I knew they can't do that. Gulego, that the team there's no direction. I don't know guti iplane yabo bekuthi bafuna ukukora kanjani. Yes, uShandu tholile amagoli lawa ayi2. But look at uShandu uyabona ukuthi ubekunobu cleverness bakhe ukuthi you know what, I'll go inside the box. That's when I was ukuthi athole that second goal. Gulego ang understand mina. When we've got two people in the midfield, but you are open again in the midfield. Look at the third goal. That third goal, where's the two midfielders? When that ball Mazoza from the middle, on the right hand side, because you've got two midfielders. It means Guti Malisuanga it means 1 minus. So it means Marizangapa, this midfielder, he needs to close down this person. So, sure.
Can we please go back to your coaching points? What was the point were you trying to make about Makaring and Oloch about their positioning?
Because why my coaching points is because to me, they're supposed to assist Ulipasa and Papambi. They're supposed to bridge between the two defensive midfielders and Ulipasa and Lapaya. And they need to have combination play, Ulipasa, and also balance the game. And Ushandu.
You are position those two attacking midfielders. Which positions do you not want to see them in when they are playing?
When I see Uloch collecting a ball out to the defense, for me, I take you out. Unless if these two defensive midfielders they're not doing the job. And then two, same applies to Umakarenge. For me, like Beba Mainasa a team instead of adding a number in the play. Look at the second half, it's up a technical team, Pirates. You're taking out Ulipas, you're bringing in Umango. Are you guys watching the game? Are you guys seeing those questions that this team they're putting to you guys, and are you answering not to that? Because when you put strikers for Umango, you know Umango is a striker that is mobile. And if umfaka lapha ukeeper the player that can sit lapaya because Ulipasa can sit lapaya. So if you keep Ulipasa ufaka Umango is going to collect the ball outside the box. There's no one.
There won't be anyone in the box.
So now I'm asking Uguti, for me now, why keep Umakaring? Because Uloch was doing what Umakaring should do. So keep because at least you will see Uloch was playing some of the balls in those areas where he's trying something. Even though I've got a question to say, you're not the player that's supposed to play those balls. You're supposed to be next to Ulipasa Lapana ukuthi those balls masuka from the deep midfielders Umusele no Pen Motsware. Mawaya long lapaya. You need to come there when it's a second player lapana to receive it. Maya wide go to then you come give that angle a triangle angle ukuthi mali go to lapana you come this angle and then you carry it you go to Ulipasa have a combination play supported by Umakaringe on the right hand side to say if mangabe I play Ulipasa lapana Ulipasa can't play to me he can give Umakaringe he can't take a shot then he's gonna play Ulontuzana Ushandungal then we have that triangle in terms of supporting Ulipasa lapaya but that's why I'm asking ukuthi I'm a coaching points to these two players because nothing enzakele to support Ulipasa. Then you're taking out Ulipasa, bringing in Umango. Umango is a mobile striker, and then there's no one inside the box.
All right, last one. Orlando Pirates went to Libya to play the Libyan number 1. They lost 3-2. What kind of score would you give them out of 10? Would you performance yabo? The fact that they scored 2 goals, was it an impressive performance? Are you totally and completely unhappy?
No, I'm not happy at all. We look good goals from Ushando. I can't take it away from him. Good goals, you know. You could see with the boy. We are as far as gaming. You know, he's putting himself in the game. Look, I wanna do this. You know, because Monga Pega the second goal, Ugopi, right where the number 10 should be. The player that needs to support Ulipasa, Gule La Ushandu Akorakon. That's a position where you need to see Ulochi or Makaring because him was from wide. Then you see him bringing the ball, good position Kashandu Ulochi.
A score out of 10?
Because of the goal, I'll give them 4.
All right, there you go. That's Tso Vilakazi giving Orlando Pirates a 4 out of 10. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.